Welcome to A Spirit of Mind. Thank you for joining me today. If you're feeling alone, whether in your thoughts, your heart, or physically, this meditation is here for you. Together, we'll tap into the universal truth that no matter what we may feel, we are never truly alone. Before we begin, I want to ask you to take a moment to think about your journey. The fact that you are here, seeking a moment of peace and comfort, shows how resilient and strong you are. And if you find this meditation helpful, please consider subscribing to A Spirit of Mind for more. And let me know in the comments what you would like to meditate on next. Your thoughts are truly valuable, and they help create these peaceful experiences. Now let's take a deep, calming breath. Gently close your eyes and settle into a comfortable position. Allow yourself to become fully present in this moment. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs, and hold it for a moment. Then, exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension, stress, or discomfort you may be carrying. Let each breath bring you closer to a state of calm. Focus now on the rhythm of your breath, feeling the steady rise and fall of your chest. You are here in this moment, and you are supported by your own body. With each breath, let the comfort of this support remind you that you are not alone. Your body, your breath, these are with you always, through every feeling, every challenge, and every experience. In this moment, I invite you to reflect on the simple but profound truth. You are part of something much larger than yourself. Every person you have ever met, every experience you've ever had, has left a mark on the tapestry of your life. And all of those moments and connections are a part of you now, even if it may feel as though you are separate or isolated. Know that you are always connected to the greater whole. You carry those bonds within you. There may be times when loneliness feels overwhelming, like a cloud that hangs heavy over you. But remember this, every cloud eventually parts to reveal the vast, open sky. Just as the clouds in the sky do not stay forever, neither does loneliness. It is simply a passing feeling, a temporary state. Your capacity for connection, love, and belonging is infinite. Now, as you sit with this feeling of connection, I want you to imagine something beautiful. Picture yourself sitting in the middle of a wide, open room. Around you are people from all walks of life, from all over the world. Some of them you may know, and others are strangers, but they are all here, standing in a circle around you. There is no need for words, only presence. Imagine that as you sit in the center, each of these individuals is silently sending you a wave of warmth and understanding. Their energy reaches out to you, silently supporting you. Even if you cannot see them, feel their presence. It is real. It's comforting, isn't it? There is a deep sense of support in knowing that there are countless others who are also walking their own paths, just like you. And while your individual journeys may differ, the connection between all of us remains. Take a moment to reflect on this. Despite any feelings of isolation, you are never truly separated from others. Each of us is a thread in the vast, beautiful tapestry of life. Your experiences, your heart, your light, it all contributes to this grand and intricate weave. You are always connected, even when you may feel alone. Think now about the ones who have touched your life, whether through their presence, their kindness, or simply by sharing a moment with you. Each person has left an imprint. You have made a difference in their lives, just as they have in yours. This web of connection stretches far and wide, through space and time, and it includes you. As you breathe in, imagine pulling in this sense of connection. Draw it into your heart, your body, your being. Feel the support of everyone who has ever shared a part of their life with you, and feel the quiet gratitude for each person, even those who you may not have met yet. Now turn inward for a moment. Think of a time when you offered love, kindness, or support to someone. Even if it was small or unspoken, it mattered. Your energy, your care, your presence has been a light in someone else's life. This light is always with you, and it's an eternal part of your essence. As you sit with this knowledge, notice the shift in your energy. The sense of loneliness begins to fade, replaced by the deep understanding that you are part of something far greater than yourself. You are a vital thread in the fabric of the universe, and your contribution is meaningful. With each breath, you begin to feel lighter. The weight of isolation lifts, and your heart opens to the possibility of new connections, new experiences, and new understandings. In this moment, you are no longer confined by the feeling of aloneness. You are free, open, and connected. As we close this meditation, know that you are never alone. You are always surrounded by the invisible threads of connection, love, and support. These threads extend far beyond what you can see, and they are a constant reminder that your light is part of a much greater whole. Thank you for taking this time to meditate with me today. If you found comfort in this practice, please like, share, and subscribe to A Spirit of Mind. I would love to hear from you in the comments. Share your thoughts or tell me what you'd like to meditate on next. Remember, no matter what, you are loved, and you are always connected to others. Trust that every feeling of aloneness is temporary, and the web of connection is always there, waiting for you to reach out and embrace it. You are never truly alone. You are a vital part of this beautiful universe, and your presence is meaningful. Thank you for being here. I hope to see you back next time. Have a beautiful day ahead.